Welcome to ground floor and first floor plan design. You will see this one for two brothers. Number of bedroom 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am very much inconvenience for the distraction. Please focus our drawing. So this for two brothers divided here. So you will see this is our wide entrance, this is our door, and this 12 feet 2 inch, 13 feet 6 inch, 26 feet 2 inch, this full hall, dining, lobby, this arch, and this arch. This is our window, this is our stair, and this is our stair down, this toilet, 5 feet by 4 feet, and this is our kitchen. This back side entrance, this maid room, door here, and this laundry area, and this bathroom. For this general bedroom, guest bedroom, we can keep, this is our door like this, 12 meter 10 cm, 10 inch, 16, 12 feet 10 inch, 16 feet 11 inch. This is our kitchen, 11 inch, 11 feet, 9 feet 5 inch. Same plan, mirror this part. So this is our ground floor, 41 feet 6 inch, total 72 feet 8 inch for two brothers. Everything what here, everything here, same. This is our window, here window. So we will go first floor. This is our first floor. We are reaching here. So this is our bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, bedroom 4. 16 feet 11 inch by 13 feet 7 inch, and this is given common bathroom for both bedroom, 6 feet 9 inch by 8 feet, and this 16 feet 11 inch by 13 feet 8 inch bedroom, and this side 17 feet 11 inch by 13 feet 5 inch, and this side attached bathroom, 7 feet 9 inch by 6 feet 9 inch. This bedroom 14 feet 8 inch, 12 feet 2 inch, and this is arch. This is our bathroom. This is dress area. This is dress area. This bathroom 6 feet 9 inch, 6 feet 1 inch. This bedroom we have balcony. So this window we have given for ventilation. This is stair design window. Here window, here window. This plan same. So this number of 4 bedroom you can use. This is our duct for ventilation, and everything we have given. See column, number of column. It will coming like this. So this 4 bedroom and ground floor, 1 guest bedroom, hall, dining, sitting area, lobby, kitchen, maid room. This wonderful floor plan, mirror can make for two brothers. I hope you got this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.